Hey everyone, today's September 17, 2022, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And today is gonna be an awesome day. Today is new wheel day. I'm getting my new wheels for my Subaru WRX, and the wheels I'm getting mean a lot to me. The wheels I had on my BRZ for a long time, and they are my all-time favorite wheel. So as of now, I've owned my WRX for 7 months, and I bought my work wheels that I currently had on my car that I sold yesterday for maybe 6 months. I got them a month into owning my WRX, my Work XD9 wheels. I'll put a picture of how they look right here. I absolutely love my Work XD9 wheels. They looked phenomenal. I got them for a great price, and they really made my car stick out. The wheels I'm getting today are wheels that mean a lot to me. They were a set of wheels I had on my BRZ for the longest time, and they're my all-time favorite wheel. So I just left the bank. I have cash in hand right now. I have a couple more hours till I'm meeting up with this guy to pick up these wheels. They're in perfect condition, and I'm excited to get the wheels and get them mounted on my WRX. And I hope you guys enjoy this video today, and let's get this video started. Alright guys, I'm heading out right now to pick up my new work wheels, and after I pick up these wheels from this guy, I'm going straight to the shop nearby to get them mounted. And I'm so excited right now. These are wheels, like I said earlier, these are wheels that I had on my BRZ, and they were always my all-time favorite wheel. I was sad to let my current Work XD9 wheels go, but the new ones are gonna blow them away. Alright guys, just loaded them in my car, and as you can see, I have Work Emotion CR Kiwamis again. Same color as I had on the BRZ, same exact size, 18 by 9.5, 38 offset. Tires 255/40 by 18. Tires are good, wheels are in great condition right now, and I am really excited to put these on my WRX. It's gonna really transform the car. And I'm debating if I should powder coat these white or leave these the same. Comment down below, let me know what I should do. I'm gonna head back to my house now, and I'm gonna get these installed. Alright guys, so I just picked up my new Work Emotion CR Kiwamis, and I'm so excited to get them mounted on my WRX. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while now, I had these same wheels, same color on my BRZ for years, maybe 3, maybe 4 years. I knew if I found a set of these for sale, I would buy them again and put them on my WRX. These happened to come up last week. I made sure I messaged the guy right away, and I picked him up as soon as I was able to. And the guy happened to be local from me. He was about 10 minutes away from my house, so it was easy pickup. Alright guys, just got home, and here is my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis that I'll be putting on my WRX. The guy I bought them for, he didn't really clean them, so they're pretty dirty, so I'll have to clean them myself. But they're in great condition, and I was able to buy these for an awesome price. I sold my Work XD9s, and for that money I was able to buy these outright. And these wheels are my all-time favorite wheels. And I have one of two choices right now. First choice is I could install these in my garage here, and if it's really hot, it's about 80 degrees outside, that means it's hotter in here, it has to be hotter in here. Second choice is wait until tomorrow, bring it to a shop to get these installed. But I'm so excited, I'm debating on just doing it right now and just going through the heat. And I also got these new lug nuts I'm going to use with the Work Emotion wheels. Black aftermarket lug nuts, pretty basic, but these definitely look better than the ones I have on right now. Here are my new Work Emotion CR Kiwamis. Alright, so I officially got my first work wheel on, and these look absolutely awesome, man. Look at that. They are super dirty right now, so after I put all 4 wheels on, I'll clean them up really nice. And after I put these wheels on, get a car wash, I'll have to ceramic coat my whole car and the wheels. But so far, so good. These look awesome. I miss having these on my car. And I'm debating on getting the red work center cap for this. Comment down below if I should keep the black or swap it out for the red. And all the tires on these are Firehawk Indy 500, and these have less than 500 miles on all tires, and these wheels are in great shape. Alright, so we got one side of the car finished. Alright guys, I just finished. All 4 wheels are on my WRX, and they look so good. Hey guys, so I just finished putting all 4 Work Emotion CR Kiwamis on my WRX, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels like 100 degrees. It's so humid in my parking garage, but I got them all done, and as of right now, it is dark outside. It is nighttime. So what I'll do is I'll show you how it looks really quick outside, and then I'll finish the video off by showing you how it looks tomorrow morning in the light. I'll do a full walk around, and I am exhausted right now, but I am so happy I have these on my WRX. Like I said, these are my dream wheels, and I'm debating if I should powder coat them white. I think that would be a good call, but comment down below if I should keep them how they are now, or if I should powder coat them white. Alright guys, outside, and like I'll do a walk around right now at night, and tomorrow morning I'll do another walk around so you can see what they look like. But honestly, they look so good on my car right now. And like I said, if you guys have been watching these videos for a while, you guys would know I've had these exact wheels on my BRZ for about 3 wheels, and having these on my WRX just feels right. It feels like my car now. And the fitment, especially in the back, is pretty good. I want to lower these a little bit. God, I absolutely love these wheels. And these tires are meaty. Honestly, it's the perfect 255 40 by 18. Honestly, perfect for this setup here. And I want to lower the front a little bit. Take a step back here. Wow. Honestly, so good. Looks so amazing. So happy I have these wheels back on my WRX. Man, these are so dirty too. And what I'll do before tomorrow, I'll clean these wheels completely, because my car and my new wheels are completely filthy right now. My WRX is coming together really, really well. If you guys watched my last video, I got new aero pieces for my WRX. I got a new front lip, side skirt, and rear diffuser. And I was supposed to get them installed today, but I rescheduled it because I got my wheels today. So keep an eye out for my next video. I'll be getting aero pieces on my whole car.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day right now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my WRX, get a car wash, clean my wheels, then I'll do a full walk around in the daytime so you can see what they look like. Like I've been saying the whole video, I'm so happy I have these wheels. I can't wait to go down to my parking garage and see my WRX with my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis. Wow, it looks so good. So I'm going to head to the car wash right now, then we'll do a full walk around of the car. Alright guys, sorry if it's windy outside. Hopefully my Rode mic, you can hear me well with it. So I just got back from getting a car wash and I washed my work wheels as well, and these look awesome. And the car looks phenomenal right now. The paint is fresh. And what I'm gonna do tonight, I'm gonna ceramic coat my whole car and the wheels. Man, take a look at these Work Emotion CR Kiwamis. God, I love these wheels. It feels good. It feels right having these on my WRX. These were my all-time favorite wheels that I had on my BRZ. And this one wheel has minor curb rash here, but all the other wheels are absolutely perfect. Man, these look phenomenal. And I do have to lower my car a little bit more, especially the front. I want to get the fitment absolutely perfect. I'll take a step back here. I'm getting my aero pieces put on tomorrow. My front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, which they're all gloss black. It's all going to come together nicely. And I'm debating if I should, like I said before, powder coat these wheels white. I feel like the red and white goes really good together, but this black looks phenomenal as well. I'm going to mess with the fitment when I get back. I want to get the perfect fitment for these wheels and tires. If I didn't say it, I know I said this before, but the wheels are 18 by 9.5, 38 offset. And the tires are Firehawk Indy 500s. They are 255, 40 by 18. I think I'm gonna drive with these for a little while to see how I like the black. And so far I do like it, but I have a feeling white is gonna be the way to go. Like I said, leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do with my WRX. And when I get these aero pieces put on, it's gonna transform my car completely. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I know this video was me just hyping up my wheels, but I am honestly super excited to have these on my WRX. These are wheels that I've been waiting for, looking for them to come up for a good deal, and everything worked out perfect for me to get them on my car. Like I said, I'm gonna keep them black for a little while and see how I like it, but most likely I'm gonna swap them, I'm gonna get them powder coated white. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis on my WRX. And don't worry, I'm going to get my fitment perfect with these wheels. I'm going to adjust that later today. And let me know what kind of content you guys want to see on this channel and what other mods you guys want me to do on my Subaru WRX. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.